The National Weather Service in Duluth, Minnesota has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Cass County, southern Crow Wing County, and east central Minnesota until 11:30 a.m. At 10:29 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Motley, or 20 miles west of Brainerd, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Gull Lake around 10:45 a.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Pillager, Baxter, and Brainerd. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.